We are talking about wine today and how to pronounce German wine names. It's all about understanding German wines by drinking. Hey wine friends, welcome. I'm Rita and I'm a linguist and a passionate wine lover, and I'm also the founder of Prädikatsweine Wine. Today we are learning German wine terms and how to pronounce them correctly. I'm going to help you with your pronunciation of the difficult and tricky German wine words, so that you can sound like a wine geek or snob and you know how to say them in a restaurant or liquid store. But before we start, it's probably best to deal with the most common myth surrounding German wine. Here is the common one. German language is so difficult to pronounce. Seriously? If you can say Sauvignon Blanc or Vino Nobile di Montepulciano, you can say anything in German. We Germans pronounce all vowels and consonants, so our language is pretty easy to pronounce. It takes a little bit of practice, so grab a glass of wine, perhaps a German wine, take a deep breath and a good sip, and it's going to be okay. And let's dive into it. We start with the words Trockenbeerenauslese. This very sweet dessert wine is made from individually selected shriveled grapes that have highest sugar levels, with flavors concentrated further in the fungus Botrytis cinerea or noble rot. And now comes a quick wine pronunciation exercise. How to say Trockenbeerenauslese. So put on your headphones now, relax and just listen. Let us look at a really long word. We German love the long words, especially the technical ones. Trocken literally means dry. Beeren means berries, and Auslese means select harvest. So Trockenbeerenauslese. 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 So well done! I hope this video was helpful for you. Which German wine term do you find hard to pronounce? Please let me know in a comment below. Wine lovers, if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumb up and don't forget to click on the red button to subscribe to my channel for regular updates. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to drink something tasty tonight, German wine maybe. Prost!